Like 1 or 2.
Paul's been there?
No, not. I think he is 13.
Oh yeah, so
A little bit younger than Zach.
Actually, like one people that might be able to do that.
They'll be ready.
Is Ben still in the small cell?
I think there's like these two straps.
So he's 2, so.
The very top. I could test it.
Zach's probably.
You have a lot of room inside.
Zach was on the vocal list for.
Oh yeah. I think. The mask is in your other hand.
How's it going?
What's up, gamers? Welcome back to the
What's going on, gamers? Welcome back to
Getting in the butt.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here's the world famous bus safety time! Woo! If you look to the front, you see the front of the bus. If you look to the back, you see the back of the bus. If you look to your right, you see the right side of the bus. And you look to your left, you see the left side of the bus. Now, if the front of the bus becomes the back of the bus, left side of the bus becomes the right side of the bus, right side of the bus becomes the left side of the bus, back side of the bus becomes the front, top becomes bottom, bottom becomes top, or the bus just starts filled with water, we are in an emergency! No! In an emergency, we have the back exit. Sadly, that back exit is blocked by your packs. We have the front exit that is blocked by your rangers. We have the side door exits. These are blocked by people. And sadly, we have the top exit, which is blocked by gravity.
More or less stuck.
I hate gravity.
In the event of a water emergency, grab onto your Rangers. We're real full of hot air.
Lucas, what do we do if we run into a red light?
Run it over. Accelerate. Here at Philmont, we have 2 official brands. We have the P Crazy S, and we have the S, or the slash Crazy S. The P slash Crazy S is the Philmont official brand. That is in all our cattle. Fun fact, anyone that knows anything about ranching knows that ranching cannot have 2 official brands. The BSA did not hear that. The slash Crazy S is the Boy Scouts of America official brand. You will find that on all of our horses here. And at Northern Tier, you will find the slash Crazy S on all the horse flies. And at Sea Base, you will find the slash Crazy S on all the seahorses.
Ah, yes.
We also have 2 other brands offered here at Philmont. We have the Heart brand, signatured by Chase Ranch. We also have,
Keep going. You want to do the timeout? We have 2 unofficial brands. We have the O brand.
Oh.
The O brand is when, say, Johnny Scout gets out of the bus. Who doesn't want to help get the packs out? He's looking real cool and leans up against the back, and he burns his leg on the exhaust. You are now property of the bus driver. You get to clean the bus with your personal toothbrush.
we also have the Star brand. The Star brand happens when little Johnny is cooking a nice little meal at dinner and is getting ready to clean and goes a little too soon and puts his hand on the nice little Whisperlight and nice little Star brand on his hand. After that happens, you become the property of your ranger. You must carry his pack until he leaves.
If you guys look behind you, you can see the Tooth of Time. The Tooth of Time was born some 22 to 40 million years ago today. Happy birthday, Tooth of Time. You guys, we had a big cake celebrating this back at base camp. Too bad you're not there. We had 22 to 40 million candles, but unfortunately in 2018 it got a little out of control. If you guys look to my right, your left, you can see Baldy Mountain.
That's where we're climbing.
The Tooth of Time is said to be the 10 to 12 day marker along the Santa Fe Trail for settlers, marking the 10 to 12 days left to get to Santa Fe. to our nice little town of Cimarron. Cimarron has an interesting culture here. They actually only have 4-day school weeks. Hooray!
Yeah!
They have only 4-day school weeks because they have such long commuting times that it makes sense because of gas. We will also be passing through the 2018 U Park Fire, and we'll actually be camping in the 2018 U Park Fire. U Park Fire started as 2 separate fires that combined to make a mega fire. It ended up burning like a good portion of our central country. That area is still not open. It will be quite some time due to fire succession for it to be usable again and safe for scouts to camp in the center. If you are planning on going through the burn, you must get to the staff camp by 8 a.m. so they may take you through the burn. They are specialized trained to take you through the impossible trails to follow and the drought conditions that can lead to floods.
We will be coming up on the St. James Hotel and Saloon. This is probably one of the most historic hotels in the area. It is supposed to be haunted. Ooh. There are 20 bullet holes throughout the entire hotel. And there were at least 26 men killed there.
Oh my god. Efficiency, Ted.
Efficiency. Gotta get them double kills.
Be able to take a cog up to the top. But now they stop that.
So where we live, yeah, Mount Unum, and
A lot of locals work here though.
What?
Like
Was
the
it done?
town basically runs off of Philmont. Like
Joey, is that
Philmont
done?
owns the majority of the
Yeah.
town.
Okay, so what are we doing?
Yes. We're taking down the bear bags.
No, we're not.
No, we're putting up new bear bags.
We're putting up bear bags. But
So we have bear hangs, specifically because there is a lot of bears around here.
Oops bear bags.
because we
Why are
didn't
they
do
called
oopsies in
oops?
them, but because Oops, I forgot to put this up.
something in my pocket.
Hang something up.
Yeah, 3 bags of these.
So this is all the personal items and personal food that we needed after we hung up these, because this is all the food that we're not eating today, because all the smellables need to go up there or there will be bears.
Guys,
Because we are in
Bear
bear country.
Bear country.
Exactly.
give people help.
Cheese.
Scouts, take over an adult
You don't need to hold the bear bags.
Yeah. We got this, Dad.
Lean it against you.
All right, bring it closer. Feed it through for me. You guys haven't even hoisted yet.
1, 2, heave! 1, 2, heave! 1, 2, heave! 1, 2, heave! 1, 2, heave!
I think that's fine. I think that's fine. We're shaking the whole tree.
You guys don't want to be like super aggressive because otherwise you're gonna make like bear bags fall and somebody's gonna get hurt.
Okay.
I know it's fun, but
Heave, but gently.
Yeah, yeah.
We're tying up the bear bags. They're all the way up there.
Let go.
Bombs away.
Okay.
Damn, you guys got it. 2-person team. That's good. Good job.
Good job, bro.
Oh, careful, Steve. There's a wall.
Yeah, don't trip and kill yourself.
Don't get eaten.
That would be bad. Well, I wouldn't know, but YouTube's gonna see it, so. It's okay. I don't know how to tie this one either.
Okay. Oh, that looks
You're doing it better than I am. I think that's correct. But I wouldn't.
That's 3. 2 half
I
inches.
think that's 3 half inches. No, yeah, no, that's 3.
Ask Steve.
Wait, hold on, wait, let go.
Steve will know.
Wait.
That should be
Toss
fine.
it through there.
I mean, it's holding. It's holding it.
We're not going to talk about that. We are not.
Yeah, just tuck it in. Just tuck it in. Don't tell anyone. Oh wait, I filmed it. Oops.